Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add video section in your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any apps, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you want to become a Shopify developer and you want to learn how to add a premium quality video section with maximum customization section from the customize option, then you should continue this video. Here I am going to share the step-by-step video guideline including free code snippet, so you don't have to write any single code or you don't have to use any app for your online store. So let's get started. Right now you can see that I am on my Shopify online store admin panel, and here is the customize section, and I have already added the video banner, and you can see that it's autoplay, and also it has text and button, a lot of things, but I'm not going to explain randomly. I will explain everything one by one and all the details of this video section featured. So I hope you will keep full attention to learn more deeply about this video section, to learn how you can edit and how you can customize it as your requirement. So first of all, we are going to know about the benefit, because before adding any section or picture or any element on our Shopify online store, we must have to know about the benefit of this featured or of this style or design or element. So you can see that the first of all, the most important benefit to add this video section on your Shopify online store is that bounce rate reduction. Captivate visitor immediately with engaging video content. The second benefit is that conversion boost. Strategic call to action placement increase scroll through rate, that means CTR. Fully responsive. Perfect experience on desktop, tablet and mobile device. Easy customization. You can easily change color, size and style without touching any single code, even without know any code. Then performance optimized. Lightweight implementation would not slow down your online store. That is very important for Shopify store SEO. If you organically want to rank it on the search result and bring traffic or customers from the search engine with free SEO marketing or free SEO method, so you must have to focus it always that your element, that if you are going to add any element on your Shopify online store by watching any other's video, then you must have to focus it that the section or code snippet is fully optimized for your online store. Then brand enhancement, professional appearance that builds trust with customers. So I hope you understand the initial benefit of adding this video section. Then we are going to know about the key features of this video section, but before that I am going to the customer section and show you everything in details. Then you can understand better about the key features of this video section. So let's go back on the customer section again and discuss or know about everything one by one. So let's go back on the customer section again. So here is the customer section, and I hope that you can easily add any section in here. You see, I have added FA video banner section, and when you add this FA videos banner section, then you have to add your video link. So how you will get this video link? To get this video link, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel, then click on content. Very simple process. Click on the file. On the file section, you can easily upload the file. You can upload the file by drag and drop or click on the upload file. Then you can see all the uploaded file in here. And here I have added or uploaded to video file, and simply you can copy any file link or video link from here. You can see that when I move my mouse on this link icon, it show copy link. That's mean when I click on here, the link automatically copied. So then go back the customer section. So then you have to add your video link in here. And the second option or the next option is that you can easily add video cover image. So I'm going to add a video cover image with free explore image from Unflash. So go to the Omen and for example select this one just for an example. Right now a video cover image. Then we can add video blur effect. This is very premium quality option. You see, here is the video blur effect. You can change it as your wish. Looks good. Also you can enable overlay or disable. You can enable or disable. Then overlay background color. Okay, also you can add overlay opacity. Then dimension, you can set up the desktop height. Right now 600 pixel. You can change it, for example 330 pixel. Also you can make it more large. You see, you have to wait a little bit time. Yes. So the standard size we can keep it 440 50 pixel. Okay. Okay, or if you want you can add 600 pixel height on desktop. Then you can set up the mobile height for better responsiveness. Then content setting, you can set content alignment from left to center, center to right. You see that? Yes. Then you can set up the content max width. In here you can control the content max width. Then enable background box. This is another most important feature. You see, you can disable it. Also you can change the background color. You see. Okay, then go back. Okay, then you can control the box corner radius. In here I'm going to change it. You see, here is the box corner radius controlled option. Also box background blur, you can control the box background blur. You see. Yes. So I hope you understand the all featured or customization option of this video slider. Then content padding, you can control the content padding. Then you can control the custom heading URL. You can add custom heading URL in here. If you want to add any custom heading URL, then you can add it in here. Then you can customize the heading content, desktop heading content size, mobile heading content size, heading letter spacing in here. Then description size, mobile description size. Also the heading color, you can completely control this heading color. You see. Also text color as you want. Looks very good. Then here is the shop button level, shop now, or you can add buy now. You see. Yes, buy now. Then you can add button link. Also you can control the button link target, same tab or open in a new tab. You can enable disable button icon from here. You see. If I increase the button size, font size, looks good. Then background button color, button text color, let me change the background button color. Now you see button border color, we can change the button border color from here. Yes. Also button corner radius, button background opacity, we can control it, border opacity or background opacity. Then scroll indicator, you can see that scroll indicator. You see, very premium quality video slider we have added. Now we are going to know more about this feature. So here is the key feature of this video slider, video background option. You can upload your own video or use fallback image, adjustable blur effects for creative styling, custom overlay with color and opacity control. You already watch it or see it. Then design customization, content alignment, you can move content from any side like a left corner or right alignment option. Custom font support, you can upload your own brand font Also color control, you can completely control the color in the customization section for text, button or background or overlay. Then box styling, you can professionally adjust the box style like background, border radius, border color, also other things. Then advanced setting, scroll indicator, we have added scroll indicator with optional animate scroll prompt. Button enhancement, we have added icon support and hover effect. Then size control, independent desktop and mobile sizing, this is very important part for mobile responsiveness. And the animation system, we have added fade animate for all the element. And then mobile optimization, dedicate mobile height setting, responsive text citing, touch friendly button design, optimized video loading for mobile data. So I hope you understand everything very easily, and you can do it by yourself. But now the big question is that how you can add this picture on your Shopify online store, or how you will get the ready code snippet. So to do this, first of all, you have to check out the link in the video description. You will find the code snippet link on the video description. I have already shared my website article link where I have published a step-by-step video guideline with free code snippet. You see, ultimate guide to Shopify video banner custom free code. Here is the step-by-step guideline in text format. Also you will find the video format. Then you can easily copy the code snippet from here. I have added all the code snippet and step-by-step guideline. The first way is that you can instantly or right now send me message by WhatsApp, or you can join my free WhatsApp support for Shopify user and ask me for free code snippet. Then I will share the ready free code snippet with you by WhatsApp. This is very fast and easy method to get the ready code snippet without any email subscription or without any hassle. So what you have to do when you get the ready code snippet, you just have to simply go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel, you can see that. Then click online store, very simple process. Then we have to wait a little bit time. Click on this three dot icon, edit code, and when you come on the edit code section or open the edit code section, then you have to simply paste the code in a file. So which is this file? Just simply click on here, type or just click on here and open section folder. Looks very carefully, open section folder, then click on this icon, add file, add a file name, for example video banner fa. Just I add my name in here, dot liquid, and simply paste the code. When you paste the code, then you have to go to your customize section. In here you will find the ready section name fa video banner, and you will get the same result. So I hope you understand everything, how you can get this free code snippet and implement it on your Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.